Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a swatch video, so for that I'm going to use these Born Pretty gel polishes. I had this extra top coat, so I'm going to use this one, these clear swatch sticks, and this nail lamp to cure gel polish. So the first color that I'm going to use is this jelly pink color. This is how it looks after one coat, but because this is a jelly color, I think it's supposed to look like this. So I'll be applying 2 or 3 coats just to build this color up. Now let's cure it in this LED lamp for 30 seconds. Next I'm going to use this purple gel color. So depending on the color you can do 1 or 2 coats, but I think I'll be doing 3 coats of jelly colors and 2 coats of other gel polishes. So now enjoy the music while I'm doing these swatches, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so this one and the next one both are cat magnetic gel polishes, so I'm just gonna apply first coats and cure them. I'm not going to magnetize them after applying first coats, but you can do that if you want to. Now I'm applying the second coat, and then I will move this magnet around the nail until I like the design, and then I will cure it. And now it's time to apply the top coat and then cure them for 60 seconds. I'm just spraying some alcohol on cotton pad and removing the stickiness of top coat from all of them. And now it's time to put them all on this ring. Oh, and I forgot to put labels on these sticks, so I had to do that after filming this video. So this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.